Hi Taurus, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 9th of August. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump and see what this particular week has in store for you. Also, please stay till the end of the video because starting from this video, we'll also go ahead and see what is the Moonology Oracle messages for you and your person. Now, the first card that I see for you is the Ten of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. Person B has the Ace of Wands, the Queen of Swords, and the Six of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I have the Justice card. So for some of you, if you're dealing with the justice system, then the verdict will come out in your favor if there are any court proceedings that are happening. And for the others, if there was some kind of injustice that has happened here, then justice will be served. Okay. Now what I'm seeing from the first row is with the Ten of Wands, it means that you feel overburdened by this relationship. You're exhausted and suppressed. And what you want to do is you want to just, let it go and start fresh with this Page of Wands energy where you have that immature, childlike energy. So if there was something that was bothering you, you just want to, leave it all together and you want to start again. Okay, and when you start, you will have a very childlike energy, a little immature energy as well. Now you would want to do this, but there is something that is causing you a lot of sorrow, a lot of heartbreak, because what I see is with the Nine of Swords, you're not able to sleep at night. Okay, which means that you're having sleepless nights. You think about something and it's causing you a lot of sorrow. At the end of the day, you feel sad about something that has happened in this particular relationship. Now person B, the first card that I see for them is the Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is when you want to go ahead and start new. Okay, now this could be with you, or this person would want to go ahead and start new with somebody else as well. Now the next card that I see is the Queen of Swords and the Six of Cups. Queen of Swords is when this person is in the energy that if you want to come and have a conversation with me, please ensure that you tell everything that is the truth, and if there are any secrets, make sure that you talk about facts. Otherwise this person will rip you off because they are not going to accept any BS. Now what I also see is this person has the energy that whenever they are alone with the Six of Cups, they think about you. Okay, they think about the sweet memories that both of you had, the moments that you spent, and also they at times do think about whether there's a possibility of reconnecting and making this relationship go back to where it was. Okay, so that's a thought that they definitely have. Now we'll also see what is the intention of this person for you for this week. So this is again the Queen of Swords that we see here, the Nine of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles. With the Queen of Swords, it's again the same energy that if you are planning to have some conversation with them, make sure that you don't hide anything. With the Nine of Cups, this person loves you for sure, but they are right now in a little bit of a lazy energy. They don't want to put in the effort. Eventually they will offer you one pentacle to see how you react, and if they feel that yes, you have taken it positively, that's when they will go ahead and try to build on this relationship. Now let's also see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you out in the situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Charyte. The crystal message is, are you finding that life is out of control? Do you need to sort out exactly what's going on to get to the reason of all the chaos? Take the time to go within and call on the ascended masters, spirit guides and angels to provide you with the inspiration you need to transform your life. Now the message here from Archangel Raziel, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box for you. You can read it out from there. With that, we'll also go ahead and see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for you and your person this week. Okay, Spirit, help me with one card here, please. Help me with one card. Alright, the message that I see for you and your person is believe in the impossible. So if both of you are under this impression that everything is lost, nothing can happen now, okay, that's not the case, because magic happens. Okay, things happen. There's something called destiny, there's this connection, and you also need to believe in the superpower, because that's when whatever you think was impossible, it just happens. So believe in the impossible, and that's the blue moon, which happens quite rarely, but it does happen. Okay, so that's the message that I have for you. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.